how to change the trace path or add a trace path in OpenTelemetry in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can quickly and easily add a trace path in your OpenTelemetry in n8n. So for that, first simply launch your local n8n instance or any n8n instance that you're working on. Since I have a local n8n instance, I have launched that. Then I need to click onto the settings option, and within settings, I'll click on OpenTelemetry. Now within OpenTelemetry, I'll simply scroll down and I can see the trace path. It is appended to the endpoint just like this in the and this is the OTLP default. So if you wish the OTLP default, then it will be v1/traces. If you wish to change it, you can simply change the same and then click on to save option to save that particular trace path, and that particular trace path will be successfully saved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.